Question 12. Question 12. The fifth and 11th term of an arithmetic projection AP are 13 and 31 respectively. Find the sum of its first term and common difference. Now, these are the options. In this question, they want us to calculate the sum of first term A and the common difference D. Now, but the information given in the question is we are given the T5, that is the fifth term, to be 13, and we are also given our 11th term T11 to be 31. We want to get the sum. That means we don't know our A is not known, our D is not known. A is the first term, while D is the common difference. That's why we don't know these two. Now, how do we get it out with this information given? We're only given the fifth term and the 11th term. Now, this is the formula for calculating the nth term of an arithmetic projection, Tn A plus n minus 1 D. Now, here we have T5, that's when n is equals to 5, that fifth term, A plus 5 minus 1, our D, equals to 13. That means we have A plus 4D is equals to 13. We'll call this one equation 1. Then we have T11 is equals to A plus 11 minus 1 D equals T11 is equals to 31. Here we are going to have A plus 10 D equals 31. We can call this equation 2. Here we are now going to solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously so that we can get our A and D. So we solve, we have A plus 4D equals 13. Then we have A plus 10D equals 31. We solve these two simultaneously. In solving this simultaneously, what we'll do is we are going to have equation 2 minus equation 1. Having equation 2 minus equation 1, we have A minus A is gone. We have 10D minus plus 4D, we have 6D equals 31 minus 13, we have 18. Now, what do we do here? We need to get our D. So our D here is going to be 18 over 6, and that will give us 3. That means our D is equals to 3. We have gotten our common difference to be 3. Then we can now put or substitute the value of D in any of the equation. We can now say put D is equals to 3 in equation 1. Our equation 1 is A plus 4D equals 13. Here we are going to have A plus 4 open bracket 3 equals 13. Here we are going to have A equals 13 minus 12. Our A is equals to 1. I've gotten the value of our A equals to 1. A is equals to 1 and D is equals to 3. That means first term here is first term and here is common difference. Now, what the question asks us to calculate is that we should calculate the sum of first term and common difference. That is the question wants us to do A plus D. Then from here we have that Our A is 1 plus our D. Our D is 3. So by the time we add 1 plus 3, we are going to have 4. That means the answer here, the correct option here is option A, Ṣólé kò le.